Lots of rumors flying around the internet this week after the new Apple HomePod was released about the bottom rubber staining wood surfaces. So I thought I'd go around my house, see if I could get this thing to actually stain. What you don't want it to do is leave a surface like that after you're done. That isn't real. Let's go take a look around the house, see if we can get that ring to appear. I left my white Apple HomePod on a little old coffee table. It does have some lacquer finish, but mostly it's probably worn off over the years. Let's see if it left a ring on it. Nothing. And I left Apple HomePod on the TV stand for several hours. Let's take a look to see if there's any ring or stain. Nothing. Next I tried this little stand. It is completely unvarnished. It is bare wood. It's got some stains on it already. Nice little rustic looking piece. After several hours, is there any ring? Nothing. Next I tried the kitchen table. It does have some varnish on it. Left it on for several hours. What do we find? No ring. Next surface, fairly new center aisle to the kitchen. It's got some lacquer on it, some finishes. If there'd be any surface in my house that would leave a ring, it would be this one. Let's take a look. Nothing. I also thought I would try the parquet floor in my house. This has been treated a number of times with different chemicals. I'm sure it also has a layer of urethane on top. After several hours, I'm going to guess the same result. No ring. The floor in my studio is not wood. It is some kind of plastic. It is waterproof, but I thought, what the heck, leave it here for a few hours and see what we get. Nothing. Well, certainly not scientific, but this is a complete fail as far as we're concerned, trying to get this thing to leave rings on wood surfaces around my house. I read someplace that someone says, well, don't buy the new Apple HomePod because it leaves rings. And then I thought, man, maybe I could market this genius, fairly complex invention on how to avoid your Apple HomePod leaving a ring. Here it is. Ready? Problem solved. Also, if anybody has any input on what exact type of surfaces causes the rings to form, let me know in the comments. I'm interested. Thanks.